Hey everybody, out here around the mobility scooter. This is the one with the 7-horse Duromax with torque converter, differential to axle. That's a garage door. Hydraulic disc brake, differential, chain drive, dual muffler. Just doing a few more final touches to it. We did an oil change. Kind of perfected a choke lever, just make it easier. And then my buddy here, he walks with a cane, so I made a nice little cane holder for him. Pretty simple, easy peasy. And just dialed in a couple little things. We got the light bar, headlight. We don't have a running light yet in the back, we're working on that. But we do have working brake lights. So what do you say we fire this thing up and take it for a little spin? So, all the way in is choke. Here we have choke for a second. I'm doing some goofy hand hold on the phone so I can put on my other glove. It's a little chilly out here. We just put on some new tires. Sun. See on that? These are 145/76, something like that. Nice little tire. Great. They have a great profile, and they look a little bit nicer than the tires that are on there before. It just had regular like turf tires. So the front tire is actually about 1 inch bigger in diameter. Rear is now about 1 inch smaller in diameter from where it was before. And it totally changed how this thing rode. Actually way more relaxed. And even a little bit more torque now the tires are a little bit smaller. Alright. Here we go. Oh yeah. Sorry about the lighting. There you have it. Now there's still a little bit more work to be done to it. He's taking it back home with him. Since I did build this for my buddy, he does ride the heck out of it. So this will actually be going back over to him for a while. When it comes back, there's going to be some more wiring work done to it, as well as another rack in the back, a little wheelie bar, since this thing will get up a little pretty too easy. And there's a few other little touches to work on. But there'll be a more in-depth video on how this is built. Since the seat will be off, you'll be able to see underneath. It'll be kind of nice. So, thanks for watching. Have a good one.